Hello guys, it's Dayo again with another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to add base color um, to your sketch. So already laid in sketch. So all you need to do is split the screen of your iPad or your tablet or even your PC, just in case you're using a PC. So all you need to do is change the settings, the filter of your photo to monochrome. Just make sure it's on a black and white. Make sure your reference is on a black and white. Then make sure your reference is on a black and white. Then you create a new layer for your base color. Create a new layer for your base color and select the felt pen tool. And make sure the felt pen tool is on 100% opacity. And after you're done, then select a gray color, which is at the left hand side. Just move the color wheel to the left hand side. It's going to show you, it's going to give you a gray color. Then you select the gray color and apply the gray color to your painting, and you can neatly place the base color on the skin. You can neatly place the base color on the skin selectively. You can select any area you want to use for the base color, which is going to be serving as a mid-tone for our shading. So we're going to be doing a grayscale painting. That's why we're using 2BT color, which is used for the value painting. The black, white, and gray color are the basic colors used for grayscale painting, and it helps you study the value on your reference. So the reason why I made you change the filter of change the appearance of your reference to black and white or to monochrome is to see those values literally on your reference without getting distracted by colors all over the reference. So it gives you just a specific concentration on a particular value, which is the black and white. So it shows you where the midtones are. Midtones are basically the center color, which is in between the white and the black color. Those are what we call midtones. And the dark shade is the total black color, or we call it the shadow, which is the dark side of the reference. And our highlight, which is the lightest part of the reference. So just try and get used to those terms. We are going to be using them all through this tutorials. So in case you've not watched how I sketched this particular reference, you can check the video, my previous video before this, and you check it out. Then you still come back and continue with this particular video. You can check that one, then you come back and continue with this present video. So just carefully adjust the size of your felt pen tool. Then you fill up the skin color. You can fill up the skin color on a different layer. Then fill up the glass base color for the base color for the glass. You can on a different layer. You can do that of the shirt on a different layer. So you just make sure you place them on different layers to have a clean workflow and to avoid unnecessary mistakes. So just keep on filling up the colors. So just in case you couldn't get the color palette correctly, you can download the already made color palette for the grayscale which I have done made for this tutorial, you can just simply download it in this, click on the link at the description box to download it. I have also made a color palette for real colors that I will be showing you how to apply in the next tutorials. So I will also be showing you how to apply, to convert the colors, the black and white colors, that is the grayscale colors, into the real color skin tones. So I've already created a skin tone palette for that particular tutorial. So you can just download both of the two palettes for both of the value, for the grayscale and for the skin tone palette too. They are all available in the description box, so you can just click on the link to download it, so that you can get both of the color palettes for the work. You just go to the description box and get click on the link and get it downloaded to your device, and you can import it in your workspace, so that to make your work more easier, and to avoid struggling with colors, and to make it more easier for you to work with this particular tutorial. So that's just it.